Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, Hacking the Sony PlayStation Mini, Part 7. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Auto Bleem theme and turn off the background music. Let's get started. When your PlayStation starts up, press Select. It'll bring you to this menu, and the first option you see will change the themes. Scroll left or right to view the various themes that are available. Each theme has its own different background music. I put mine on mute because I don't want a copyright strike here on YouTube. This is the theme that I prefer, so I'm going to press X and select this one. If you want to turn off the background music permanently, scroll down to background music, press left on your controller, and then press X to accept. That's about it. Thanks for watching.